Giant blackhead removal. One big extraction. Deep pore cleaning transformation. Most blackheads are small, almost unnoticeable, but sometimes one pore becomes different. It grows, it fills, it stretches beyond normal, and inside it, a giant blackhead forms. In today's treatment, we are removing a massive blackhead from a single pore, and the extraction is intense. What is a giant blackhead? A giant blackhead is not formed overnight. It builds slowly, layer by layer. Oil, dirt, and dead skin accumulate inside one pore for a long time. Instead of clearing out, the buildup keeps growing. This creates a large blockage, a stretched pore, a visible dark spot. Why it becomes so large? This happens when the pore remains clogged for too long. Cleaning is incomplete, oil production continues. Over time, the blockage expands, and the pore stretches to hold it. Step 1. Deep preparation. Before removing a giant blackhead, proper preparation is essential. We start with gentle cleansing, then steam is applied to soften the deep buildup. This helps loosen the blockage. Step 2. Pressure application begins. Now the extraction starts. Unlike small blackheads, this one requires controlled pressure. The buildup is deep and strongly attached. Slow, steady pressure is applied to avoid damage. Step 3. Giant extraction, main moment. Now the core moment begins. The blackhead starts to move. Slowly, it releases from inside the pore. The full buildup comes out as one piece. This is what makes giant extractions so satisfying. Why full removal matters? If any part is left behind, the pore will fill again. That's why complete extraction is important. Removing the full buildup helps the skin recover properly. Step 4. Skin recovery. After extraction, the pore is empty and sensitive. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin. Hydration helps restore balance and reduce pore appearance. Final transformation. Before, one large clogged pore. Stretched and dark. After, clean, clear, and smoother skin. The difference is dramatic. Final message. Sometimes, one single blockage can change the way your skin looks, and removing it can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this extreme extraction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.